Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Fulcrum Utility Services. And when you see this stock, so this stock, uh, so first of all, this is a weekly price trend and there is a very sharp up move, and overall the price trend is very positive. As you can see that from the lows of March 2020 it has already risen by 215%. But if you look at the overall trend, you will get some positive vibes out of it, and probably there are higher levels which are yet to come in the long term, obviously. So what we have here is something like this. Okay, so this is how the trend looks like, and these are all the important levels which one need to look at in this particular chart. Okay, now one thing that one needs to understand here is any new fresh trend or new trend will start above 79 when the stock uh, makes a breakout and is above 79 or 80 and sustain over there, then only a fresh trend will start. Now the big support will come at 13, which was the low it has made in March. Okay, also here there are lots of level which one needs to look at. So inside this 79 and 13, you have your first support at 31. Below that you have 23, then you have 21, and finally 13 on the downside. On the upside you have 42, which will be your current level. Then you have 49, further you have 69, and then 79 will be your target or resistance level. But this is just a corrective phase which the stock has shown, and now the rebound which is happening right now, and between that you have lots of support and resistance level. But the big trend is something else. So for that, looking at the big trend, what we are going to discuss about is simply this. So if you are looking at the actual rise which has started from 2013 till 2018, so this is a 5-year trend in which the stock has given 1756% of return. So it is like a wave. Okay, so if you know about waves, or more specifically Elliott waves, you should know what I'm talking about. But if you are not familiar with, you go and probably check it out. But waves generally works very well for stocks, for indices, stock indices. Sometimes it works for stock, sometimes it may not, but it works perfectly for indices. But overall, the the theoretical part is such that a trend, an uptrend has 5 waves and a downtrend has three corrective waves. So if you are considering this chart and considering that the first wave started from 2013, and probably the second wave, second corrective wave has already completed, and third uptrend has already started, then what we are looking at is a next trend which will be similar to the previous trend in terms of its length. Okay, so here we have the big trend. So what we are saying here is, if the stock moves and sustain above 80, then the next big target which we can see probably in the years to come will be 240. Okay, so this is the target which one should look at. Although we are in a recovery phase as far as this stock is concerned, But once this recovery phase over, and if and when the stock sustain above 80, then obviously what we are going to look at is our big target, which is 240. So here we have, okay, here we have the trend also, which is actually near to those levels. That is not the exact level, but if you look at this trend, big trend, what you can see here is this, that the target or the big target will be in between this range. Okay, so what I said was 240. What you can see, the target above 80 will be in between 140 or 150 to 200. Okay, and this will be the big resistance line or the target line which the stock could probably face in the years to come. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.